Today we're going to bring a large cover for your Blackstone 36-inch grill. Now this one also covers other different brands of grills, but it's mostly made for this type, and it covers pretty much like a variety of different brands out there. So first of all, I want to say thank you to Lowe's for sending me this out and for review. And let's go ahead and set it up and see how it looks on the actual grill. Now you have an option here. I have two flaps out, but we're gonna leave them all open, all right? And I like to leave my propane in the bottom, if you guys can see. So we're gonna cover pretty much everything and have it weatherproof. So let's go ahead and do that. So just make sure that this logo here that you guys see has to be facing down, but it has to be in the front. All right, so we got the cover set up. Straps hold on through here. You could tighten it up. And then if you want excessive cable, just make sure you wind it up. You don't want to hit it on the ground, so tie it up. And this is how it gives it clearance, if you guys can see that. You can strap it as well. So we have a lot left over side, because I have the propane here. It's a little bit more or less stress on it. You guys can see you got plenty of slack. Lots of slack. Lots of room for any brand, any style. Easy to install. I hope you guys enjoy the video.